To transfer American Express points to airline miles, start by logging in to your account on the American Express website. Open the website in your browser and click the blue login button in the top right corner. Then enter your user ID and password. Once logged in, navigate to the page for your American Express Platinum card and click on Explore Rewards, which will take you to the Membership Rewards Points section. Scroll down to find the Transfer Points button and click on it. Next, select the airline you want to transfer points to and click on it. You will then need to enter your airline partner account number and select a card member before clicking Continue. On the security verification screen, enter the 3-digit number from the back of your card and click Continue again. Your airline partner account will now be linked. Click Get Started and enter the number of points you want to transfer, taking note of the exchange rate and any potential charges for the transfer. Review the transfer details. Then click Submit Transfer. You will be prompted to verify your identity with a one-time security code, which will be sent to you. Enter the code and click Continue to complete the transfer process. The miles should be available in your airline account within a day or two.